Okay, so moving on to subtracting rationals. We're going to look at the second example in your notes for subtracting rationals, which is on page 109. So when we're subtracting rationals, we use the same steps that we normally would use with our adding rationals. We just have an extra thing to remember if we subtract two terms in the second polynomial, which actually does not apply to this. So this one's going to be fairly easy. Number one step is to continue to factor. So when I look at 2y plus 4, I realize that 2y and 4 have a greatest common factor of 2. So if I do 2 divided by 2, I just get y, and 4 divided by 2, I just get 2. And everything else is factored, so this one's fairly easy. So when you look at the denominators, you should be able to see that they both have a y plus 2 in it, so that's going to be part of the least common denominator, but this one has a 2. So the least common denominator is going to also have to include a 2. So let's write in 2y times y plus 2, 2 times y plus 2, and then remember we get out our highlighter and we look and highlight what we have. In the first fraction I have a 2 for the denominator and a 2 in this one, a y plus 2 and a y plus 2. So nothing's missing in this denominator here, so my answer is still going to stay as just a y up there. I don't have to do anything to the numerator on this one. But over here all I have is y plus 2, so what's missing is this 2 right here. So I'm going to have to multiply the numerator by a 2, so that's going to give me 6. And when I combine the numerators, I'm going to get to my answer fairly quickly. This is already my answer. Y minus 6 is nothing much that you can do there because I only have one term. Now if this had something like plus x, then it would also have to be, or I'm sorry, let's do plus 2y, then it would also be a minus 2y, so it would be like this, okay, and then you'd have to combine like terms, okay? But since there's only one thing in the second fraction of the numerator here, I just do y minus 6 and I'm already finished, okay?